What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some passion braids using hair from a previous video that you see up here. I'll link it up top to give you the deets. So what I'm using is rice water, regular braiding hair, and that passion twist hair from a previous video. I'm just showing you the pattern. I used 3 pieces. I fed in 3 pieces, however, and used 2 pieces into one. So right now, just getting started with some gel, putting that on my hairline. I don't put that on my scalp. And honestly, I'm gonna suggest you not to do the same, because putting that gel on your scalp definitely clogs your pores. It, causes flaky buildup, itchiness, burning, of course, if you scratch it. So I don't use that on my scalp at all. I just put it on my hair, not the line itself. So right here, going in with my first piece of braiding hair. I started out, they're knotless passion braids, so of course started out the braid with my regular hair and fed in those pieces. On the second feed in, I used the passion twist and braiding hair together, and I'm just going down there. And on my third, I used the same method, passion twist and braiding hair. I'll be honest, I'm not certain of the length of the braiding hair. It was just some leftover hair I had, from either previous videos or previous styles that I've done, so I really don't know. I know that it is free tress hair, I'll tell you that. And so right here, I'm just kind of going all the way down, using gel as I go. And I'm going to show you, basically how I seal off the ends. I do the slip knot method. So right here, I decided to slow it down for you guys. Of course, doing the same